All right, thanks to Shara. And back to the fight against COVID-19. More hospitals are overwhelmed with a record number of patients. Tarrant County now has more than 700 patients in the hospital with the virus. That's the most since the pandemic started. The U.S. now averaging a staggering 145,000 cases a day. 1 million in America diagnosed just in the last week. That's about 100 people with the virus diagnosed every single minute. Hannah Davis live this morning in Dallas. Hannah, the COVID response is expected to be talked about at today's commissioners meeting.
Yes, we are looking at these numbers that are going up, Kara. Local leaders are trying to figure out what to do, and what they're saying right now is drastic action needs to be taken to turn this tide around. But let's take a look at the new numbers in Dallas County. Just yesterday, Dallas County reported its highest number of new daily cases with 1,831. The county had broken the record the week prior as well, but this newest number is the highest yet for a single day. Officials are releasing more information about resources and hospital strain as well. Out of the 25 reporting hospitals, here are the numbers. Total beds, 5,842. Beds occupied, 4,295. Total ICU beds, 908. ICU beds occupied, 706. Total ventilators, 981, and ventilators in use, 376. Now, health officials have said the strain on the healthcare system has been challenging, especially for staffing. In light of the continued case growth, Judge Clay Jenkins tweeted out a call to action for the people of Dallas County.
COVID won't always. We have been under red for some time, but we are seeing explosive growth under red, so we're a lot redder than we were a week ago. You know, we know what to do. We just need to do it. COVID won't always be with us, but unfortunately, it is going to be with us for a little while longer. The vaccine is on the corner, but we've got to hold on and do what is necessary to protect our communities, our family, and our economy.
So Judge Jenkins said doing the right thing consists of not socializing people outside of your immediate family or those people that you live with, wearing that PPE and social distancing. He says now is the time to really be diligent about these protocols, so hopefully the tides can change. Back to you.
All right, thank you, Hannah. Whilst Texas state leaders have not announced any new restrictions, other states have already started taking action. If you are traveling for the holiday, you will want to know what's happening around the country, whether you are going out of state or even to a different county. Cleo Green live in our newsroom this morning with more on this national scope.
Yeah, Kara, we know COVID-19 cases are rising, but top medical experts say things could get even worse with holiday travel, holiday gatherings, Thanksgiving right around the corner. So check out this interactive map behind me. This was developed by researchers at Georgia Tech. It's called the COVID-19 Event Risk Assessment Planning Tool. It's a lot, but you can really click on every county in the United States to see what their risk level is from 1 to 100. So if I click on Tarrant County here, the risk level is at 69%. In Dallas, it's at 65%. In Kaufman, Collin, and Denton counties, it is below 40%. But if I go and click on El Paso here, anything in dark red is no good. The current risk level there is at 99%. That means they're dealing with a lot of COVID cases. It's really important to note here that the U.S. is now averaging nearly 145,000 new infections daily, and this virus continues to disproportionately impact people of color, especially Hispanics. Now, the hospitalization rates are more than 4 times higher for the Hispanic community. Now, new COVID-19 restrictions are going into effect in multiple states as the virus spreads at record levels. In California, the governor says he's pulling the emergency brake on reopening the state's economy, asking residents to avoid travel for the next 2 to 3 weeks. A mask mandate is now in effect in Iowa. Indoor gatherings in New Jersey are now limited to 10 people. In Oklahoma, masks are now required in state buildings, and restaurants in the state must close at 11 p.m. starting Thursday. All right, so here's a broad look here at that assessment planning tool, the interactive map. Anything in dark red, no good. We're going to put a link to this on our website at WFAA.com. And just a reminder, as COVID cases are rising here in Texas, there are still no restrictions or mandatory mandates here just yet, but that could change with the holidays right around the corner. Kara, I'll send it to you.